Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen. In these days we are wasting our lot of groundwater. According to our research we are losing our groundwater 9 kilometers per year. And the reason behind is some things. Leakage in pipes and tap and many other things. And the water is wasted more when we just forget to turn off our water pumps. And the water tank is starting overflowing until no one see and they turn this off. So this is big problem. First we face some etc. electricity bills and wasted water. But don't worry. Team Alpha has claimed to solve this problem. So this is a smart world and you're smart enough, and yes, your home appliances should have to be smart. So we are introducing the Aqua Saver device. Aqua Saver is directly connected with your water pump and water tank. The Aqua Saver is collected all of your water data which is available in your water tank and control the water pump. In Aqua Saver you have the indications. From 0 to 100% you can see this LEDs on Aqua Saver's board. If the LEDs bar is on 100% it's mean your water tank is full, and if this bar is on 50% it's mean you have half water in your water tank, and if this is 10% it's mean your water tank is near to empty. But don't worry about this thing, because the LEDs bars is just to share data with you. The Aqua Saver automatically turn on the water pump when the LED bar is on 10% and automatically turn off when is on 100%. With the help of Aqua Saver you will never waste a single drop of water. In Aqua Saver device we are giving another feature according to need. The feature is bypass system. Whenever you need to control your water pump manually for other kind of work like as washing your car or etc., you can do just pressing a single button. After you finish the job just press that button again and convert the whole system automatic again. And in the left side you can see a indication. This indication shows you that your system is on automatic mode or manual mode. Team Alpha has do a lot of struggle on this project and we hope this little work save the groundwater a little bit. Thank you guys. Save water, save world.